We're in session and cause number 330342. The case is styled the state of Texas versus Macario Perez Mendoza. Okay, it's been brought to the court's attention that Mr. Mendoza doesn't speak English, he speaks Spanish.
Poquito English, Judge.
He speaks a little English.
Little English.
Okay. And so we have our interpreter here. Would you please raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm to interpret Spanish to English and English to Spanish to help you God?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Mr. Perez Mendoza.
Yes, sir.
I have before you a document that is titled Standard Bond Conditions in County Court at Law Number 2. And I will go over these conditions with you starting right here. And it reads, following arrest and or accusation, okay, in County Court at Law Number 2 of Jefferson County, Texas, all bail bonds executed for release of any defendant named herein or ordered subject to the following additional conditions. Okay. Number 1, the defendant shall commit no offense against the laws of this state, any other state, or of the United States. Do you understand that?
Yes.
Condition number 2, the defendant shall submit to testing for drugs and alcohol at any time as directed by the court. The court may revoke the bond and order the arrest of any defendant who, A, refuses to submit to a test for drugs and alcohol when directed to do so by the court, or B, submit to a test for drugs and alcohol, and the test indicates the presence of drugs and alcohol in the defendant's body. Do you understand that condition?
Yes.
And condition number 3, the defendant shall not communicate either directly or, well, that doesn't apply. This is a DWI. Condition number 4, a defendant who has been arrested or accused of any subsequent offense listed under section 49.04, 4906, and his case is listed under that section of the Texas Penal Code shall not operate any motor vehicle unless the vehicle is equipped with an interlock device mechanism that makes impractical the operation of the vehicle if ethyl alcohol is detected in the breath of the operator, and said device shall be installed at the defendant's expense with written verification of such installation being submitted to the court on or before the 10th day. It's gonna be after today.
After today?
Yeah,
Okay.
I need to write that on
So he needs to get one submitted
there. Within 10 days.
within 10 days.
Your Honor, it's my understanding that he is no longer driving. Do you want him to get?
Well, you just read that to him first.
Ok. Dice que usted no se puede manejar ningún carro sin la máquina por el carro. Que siempre es que no se puede manejar sin la máquina hasta el 9 días después de este día. ¿Sí entiendes?
10 días.
Ujú. ¿Sí entiendes?
Sí.
Yeah.
That's any vehicle that he own or operate.
Sí. De cualquier carro que tiene usted, tiene que tener esa máquina.
So you can't get in that, yeah.
Sí.
Yes. Yes.
So you can't drive a vehicle without having the interlock device on.
Sí, eso no tienes que no puedes manejar
All right, so, Mr. Perez Mendoza, if you violate any one of the conditions, your bond can be revoked and you could be placed in the Jefferson County Jail. Do you understand? Okay. We need to get your case reset. How much time do you need?
What's the date today, Judge?
The 12th of October.
I'll grab my calendar real quick. I got a couple trials coming up.
We can reset you 60 days.
That
That'd be
should be
enough.
sufficient, Judge.
Okay. Okay. Just take a seat when the court coordinator come back in. She'll reset your case. And he can have a seat. Mr. Perez Mendoza, once your case is reset, and you get your reset from your attorney, you'll be free to go and you have a blessed day.
Okay, this is his copy? Judge?
Yes.
Okay. Esos son sus co- ese va a ser su copia de las condiciones, lo que necesitas hacer, ¿ok? Y la semana que viene, de su jefe, siempre ya se lo hizo. Sí, ese es para usted, no más para tener.
Thank,
We're done.
yes.
I can be
Thanks a lot,
excused.
Mr. Raji. Okay, we're in session. In cause number 324-736. Miss, could you pull up Mr. Charles Landry's second case? He has two cases. It was on the docket from yesterday. Let me give you the first cause number. It's 324-736. What's his second cause number? What's his second case?
327-990.
Okay. 327-990. And what is that?
It's what type of case?
Yes.
The same.
Okay.
This case, I just filed a dismissal with you, Judge,
On both cases?
on just the first cause. The complaining witness, I was able to confirm that they're deceased, and so.
Okay, so he had two different complaining witnesses.
Correct.
Okay, so I'll sign the dismissal on that.
And
Uh,
is that,
Hold on a minute, I'm gonna need to get could you reach my tablet?
Oh, I have one right here.
Oh, you do? Okay.
Here, let me get that on mine. There you go. I had to do some digging, but I was able to find one eventually.
That's Landry, right?
Yes, sir.
You got another one on his name,
Oh.
Grubb.
Yes, that's gonna be another dismissal I just filed.
You got CW is, well, you got CW is deceased.
You want me to change out?
I mean, just write, I mean, if you write it out, the complaining witness. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, thank you. All right, let's see, Mr. That's that dismissal. I just signed the dismissal. You can get the dismissal. You'll be free to go.
Just have to call the warrant.
State, he wants to recall the warrant.
The state doesn't have any objection to recalling the warrant on this case, Your Honor.
Okay, so the bond forfeiture that was, well, the bond forfeiture in clause number 324736 on October 11th, 2021. The state does not have any objections to the bond forfeiture being recalled. Brother,
Yes, sir.
on, we're gonna recall the bond forfeiture in clause number 324736, Charles Landry from yesterday. Okay. All right.
Thanks, Judge.
Okay, you're welcome. Let's see, hold on.
Oh,
Okay.
yeah, excuse me.
Yeah, you got your dismissal?
Yes, you got it.
Okay, yeah, you may be excused.
Thank you.
2, 4, 7. Yeah,
Case this morning, on the docket.
it's on arraignment. What's the defendant's name?
This defendant is in jail, Your Honor.
Oh, he's in jail? Well, you don't have to be here.
Sir?
If he's in jail, you don't have to, normally you don't have to be here because we just have this on the docket because he probably has a case in felony court.
That's correct.
That's the only reason it's set.
Okay.
We just following this, yeah, you can leave. So if they reset the felony case, you want us to reset it along with, you want us to reset the misdemeanor along with the felony?
Well, if,
I don't know, if they
Yeah, that's
dispose of
fine.
it,
yes.
normally if they dispose of it,
Then I can come
if,
back and,
then we'll reset it for Thursday if it's gonna be a plea or something, or if
that's
they
fine.
dispose of it through the felony, we'll know.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Thank you.
okay. Might have got a warrant out here. Okay. Smith, Crocker. Mr. Crocker, you have a case on the docket?
I do, Your Honor. Christopher Allen is a corresponding felony, set Judge Stevens court for 11/18.
Okay,
Christopher Ray Allen.
Mr. Bell, could you get, Christopher Allen? I guess he's not here for arraignment. He's already been arraigned.
Yes, sir, he is.
Okay. Okay. This is cause number 328032, the state of Texas versus Christopher Ray Allen. Is that your full name?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Mr. Allen, how are you doing?
Good, how you doing?
I'm doing fine, thanks for asking. Now, Mr. Allen, you're here represented by your attorney, Mr. Glenn Crocker. Mr. Crocker, how are you doing?
I'm very well, Your Honor. Thank you.
Okay, now, Mr. Crocker, this is not Mr. Allen's arraignment, is that correct?
That is correct. He has been
Okay.
arraigned.
Okay, so his case, I assume, we only reset this case on this day because at one time his felony case probably was set on this day.
More than likely it was. I don't have
Okay.
the case history in front of me. More
Okay.
likely it was.
Okay, so I see here that his felony case has been set, is I guess reset to November the 18th of 2021.
That's my understanding.
Do you want his misdemeanor case set on that same day or a different day?
Would the court set it on the very same day?
Yes.
And yes, sir, if we could.
Okay, we'll set it on the same day. Now, Mr. Allen, basically what that means is you got two cases set on the same day. They may be at the same time. What we'll need you to do is, when you come to court that day, just come check in with our bailiff to let him know that you're here. And then you'll go to the felony court. And then once you finish in the felony court, then you'll come back here to this court and just let us know what happened. It's been reset. We'll probably reset it with your felony case, okay? So just make sure that you check in with the bailiff, and let him know that you're here, and so that you won't get a bond forfeiture, okay?
Yes, sir.
So your case is gonna be reset till November 18th of 2021. Once you get your reset, now, Mr. Crocker, stand over there, sign the reset. Once your attorney give you your reset, Mr. Allen, you'll be free to go, and you have a blessed day.
Yes, sir. You as well.
And Mr. Crocker, I think this is your only case. You're free to go as well, and you have a blessed day.
Thank you, Judge.
Hold on a minute. Okay, we're in session in 4 cases. First case is cause number 330-040. Second case is cause number 330-134. Third case is cause number 330-258. And the fourth case is cause number 330-260. All 4 cases are style of state of Texas versus Ladatriel Quintero Thomas. Ms. Thomas, is that your full name?
Yes, sir.
Okay, how are you doing, Ms. Thomas?
All right, how you doing?
I'm doing fine. Ms. Thomas, you're here, present in court, and your attorney is Mr. Nathan Reynolds. Mr. Reynolds is appearing via Zoom. Mr. Reynolds, how are you doing?
I'm doing well, Judge.
Okay, now, Mr. Reynolds, I see here that Ms. Thomas has a felony case, and that felony case actually is set in January. of next year. Apparently, she has another lawyer on that case.
Yes, sir, Judge. If the court would, if we could reset these cases today on the announcement docket to coincide with the felony case.
Okay, hold on a minute. That we can can we get a setting in January? Well, no, it's just on the, it's gonna be set with the felony case, January 18th. Okay, let's do this here. We may not, right now, we're gonna have to get back with you on that date. I can tentatively, you said the 31st? Okay, we can set it for January the 31st. Apparently, what I need to do is, I'll tell you what, on tomorrow, we'll give you a reset for the same date, okay, January the 18th.
Yes,
Okay.
yes, sir.
So you won't be getting that reset today. We'll get that reset tomorrow. There's something that they have to do in the computer system to make sure that date is available.
So, Judge, hey, could you also ask Ms. Thomas to contact my office? As
Okay,
I do not have
yeah.
contact information for her.
Okay, she just heard you. You have his contact information? Okay, now, Ms. Thomas, your attorney is gonna get your reset. Stay in contact with your attorney. We're gonna reset your case to January 18th of 2022. You're free to go and you have a blessed day.
You too, thank you.
Okay, you're welcome. And Mr. Reynolds, is this the only cases you have?
Yes, sir, I believe it is.
Okay, Mr. Reynolds, you're free to go as well and you have a blessed day.
All right, thank you, Judge.